Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm your cryptocurrency computer man, and today I'm going to be tearing apart a DJ Hero for the Xbox 360. My daughter was done playing with it, so time to take her apart. Maybe not inquiring minds, but I want to know what's on the inside. Thankfully, we got a bunch of Phillips head screws all over the place. I don't intend to be putting this back really. Oh, looks like that's just for the feet. Let's take them off just in case I need to anyways. Yeah, I don't intend on putting this thing back together. Some people get upset by that, but most of the stuff I take apart is trash, so good times taking things apart. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh wait, there's a lock and an unlock. Wonder if that's oh yeah, it is. You can pull that part off. Today I learned. Oh, no batteries? Boo. Life is hard. Life is so hard. What can I say? I wonder why they make that two parts. Maybe sometimes you don't need that, or maybe that's where the battery is somewhere. Yeah, I bet that's it, but one of them's like the battery pack. Thank God for cold fusion. Thank God for Phillips head screws. I started to think that everyone had given up using them. It's like nobody wants you to get into anything anymore. It's like no Phillips head screws for you. I'm gonna be crazy screws or no screws at all and a bunch of clips. And then maybe a bunch of unbelievably small screws. Life is hard, what can I say? Open sesame. Is that one there? It is. It was hiding from me under a sticker. It fooled me. It won't fool me again. Let's see if I can get it off now. Oh, I must be missing one. Must be missing one. There it is. Okay, so that's just mostly plastic housing. Just for inputs. One sec. And then, I wonder where the sensor is on this. I would expect there to be a sensor or something, right? To say how far it's turned. Maybe it just sends a signal. Maybe it just sends a signal to say it is turning or it is not turning. Just not saying how fast. Yeah, it's got to say how fast it's turning though, right? There's got to be something under here. There's got to be a sensor. Because you're supposed to be able to slow these down and speed them up and all kinds of stuff, right? Oh. Alright, I'm seeing a sensor right over here. I must go with those notches. Yeah, I must use the... That's just... I think it's just like a basic light sensor. So it'll be reading how quickly the notches go. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Alright, you know what, I'm just gonna fast forward once I get all these Phillips head screws out, because literally it's not hard, it's just every place you see a hole there's a Phillips. Alright, I got all those little bastards taken care of. Here we go. Man, this thing is really super simple. More Phillips head screws. Oh, look at that hot snot. I just realized that. Hot snotted in. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wonder if I can just pick this up because it's... Is it fused? Is it not fused? I wonder if it's screwed in. Oh, it's got a lot of things nicely labeled there, doesn't it? That's interesting. I don't see that very often. See what it's going to take to get that board off there. Alright, that board is soldered right in there. Take a look around the edges though. They really label everything. Interesting. And there we go. Microsoft chips. Torn apart like a champ. I didn't just use one rock, I used 2 rocks to break this apart. We got a few other little things over here. Also all put together with hot snot. Very good stuff. Yes, very good, very good. Which is the fader. And then just 2 inputs, big deal. But, one sec. That's what we got. That's it from me. Like and subscribe if you like teardowns. Always appreciate it. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other.